how to enable or disable SIM on OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, on your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, go to mobile network. And mobile network, you can see here the SIM 1 and SIM 2. So if you want to disable the SIM 1, for my example, so okay, you'll have to do is tap this, and you can see here the switch button on the right side. On the right side of this enable, the SIM is enable, and you can disable this by switching off the switch button on the right side and disable this SIM 1. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully disabled the SIM 1. And if you want to enable again the SIM 1, you'll have to do is tap the SIM 1 and switch on the switch button on the right side of this enable. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled SIM 1 on OPPO Reno 7 5G.